Hello, today I'm going to show you how to retarget animation inside an engine 5. As you can see here, we did retarget um, a pre-download animation to our engine animation. As you can see now, this is the original and this is the after retargeting. So let's go to our control drawer, and I created before a folder named animation mesh. I downloaded animation and skeleton mesh from Maximo site. So what I'm going to show you is how to make a retarget animation. So let's go to this animation here, punch in. As you can see, this is how the animation look. So let's go back how to do the retargeting. So we click on the animation and we go into retarget animation. As you can see here, this is our original skeleton with animation here, as you can see, and this is what we want to retarget into. So as you can see here, this is the one I imported it from Maximo, and this is the UI for engine skeleton mannequin, and this is for that reserved for on engine 5. So let's try to retarget the animation from the maximum skeleton to the Unreal Engine 5 SKM menu. So we click. So as you can see here, you can see how the animation will look into the target skeleton, as we have here the Unreal Engine 5 SKM menu. So what we're gonna do is do export animation, and let's put it here with the other animation, and let's do export. As you can see that this by default, and do export. And let's check our new animation. So you can see now that we successfully retarget the animation into our UI5 skeleton mannequin. So let's go back to our third person map, and what I need to show you again. So let's do again retarget animation. As you can see here, we can do, like I said, vice versa. So we can do from the SK menu to the skeleton here. As you can see, we can choose what animation we want to retarget from our original or our engine skeleton to the one I downloaded from Maximo, the skeleton. So let's try to get ourselves an animation. Yes, the jump one. So let's do an export animation, and to animation and mesh export. Yes, and video export. So let's open this up. So as you can see, we did retarget animation from the skeleton to this Maximo skeleton. So that's how retarget system is easy to implement, and in the latest 5.4 version of Unreal. So that's all. So I hope you guys enjoyed my video. If you want more Unreal Engine 5 tutorials, subscribe to my channel, and I consider you to watch this video. I will put it in the left. It's about Unreal Engine 5 weapon slot system or antivirus system. Show you how to make it from scratch, step by step. I consider you to watch it. That's all.